Hi, I'm Bob Wildfong, Horticultural Interpreter at the Seiling Waterloo Region Museum and the Doon Heritage Village. Today we're going to plant some tomato seedlings. These are a Mennonite heirloom tomato that we've collected here at the museum. It's an heirloom from the Mennonite community, an orange tomato that we can't find anyplace else. The only way that we can grow this kind of tomato is to save the seeds from the tomatoes that we grow. And I do that every year, and then I grow the seedlings from those seeds. Now, when we plant any kind of seedling, the problem that I think most people have is getting the seedlings out of the pack. A lot of the time, people kind of try to push them out like this. What happens when you crinkle up the plastic is you can't get the seedling out because it's trapped by the crinkled plastic. Always keep the plastic nice and smooth. Pinch it a little bit on the end, and as long as it's not crinkled up, the seedling will come right out. Now, how deep should we plant this? I like to make a hole a little deeper than where the roots are going to go. And the deeper, the better, because there's more water the deeper down you go. If you only plant this seedling that deep, then when the soil dries out right at the top, that means the roots will dry out too. So let's plant it that deep, and that way the roots will be way down where there's lots of water. It's okay to bury part of the stem. Plants don't mind that at all. So I put it in a hole that's about twice as deep as the roots. Gently cover it over, so only the leaves are sticking out, and that's it. Sometimes I don't worry about watering, especially if it's just rained. The soil right now is nice and moist because it only rained a few days ago, so sometimes I don't even bother watering. But when the soil is a bit dry, or if I know it'll be dry for the next few days, it's good to water at this time. My favorite way of watering for seedlings is to put water right in the hole. Just about a cup full of water. That way, you know that the water goes right where the roots need it. Right down below. Cover the seedling and the water up, and that seedling has enough water for the rest of the week.